Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Today I am going to show you how to use the funnel. Look, this is a funnel. And how to transfer water from jug to bottle.
Okay.
Open it. Empty bottle. This is a funnel. This is the setup of all watering exercises. Okay. How to transfer like this. Look, jug is empty. Close it. Look, water transfer into the bottle. And all fallen water clean up by using duster and dry your hands by using towel. Would you like to do this?
Yes.
Clean up all fallen water. It's necessary to wear an apron. Have you enjoyed this exercise?
Yes.
Okay, wind up.